Cool. So we're here to do a photo shoot. Well, Mai's gonna be doing it really. For these guys, Danang Beach Colour, which is basically a beach bar on the front, on the beach, obviously, in Danang. And they're just reopening now. So basically there's a big, well, soft opening tomorrow night, and then there's a bigger night. It's Thursday, by the way. But I'm gonna put this up at the weekend for you. New bar. So nice and colourful. Yeah, so at the start here on the beach, they'll have a load of like bean bags and stuff like that. But yeah, the beach was sort of worn away by the storms. So. Yeah, you can see all the bean bags are actually inside the house at the moment. It's a cool little DJ booth actually. Yeah, nice. So cool. Maybe I'll play there one day. It's a little DJ booth there. So we're just setting up the photo shoot area. So there's going to be a part over there with surfboards and stuff, and then there's going to be like a little chill out area. This is like the VIP area next to this cool DJ booth here. And then there's this really sweet bar behind. Like a wooden cabin. It's really nice. This is like drinking, VIP, shisha area. How would you feel about your photo shoot?
I'm shy.
Why is a professional model?
No, I haven't done it.
Yeah, but she's beautiful, so I think it'll be fine. So yeah, everything's just getting set up at the moment, and then yeah, as I said, like opening tomorrow, and then there's like a big show, live bands, things like that tomorrow. Nice, the music stuff.
But it's just these days, so I think.
They're just like sound testing. So they're gonna put these surfboards for some of the background of the photo, and then hold them. Mai's gonna pose in front of them. It's so big. Now we're getting really sexy with the photos. We've got the real photographers there. More like bum out. Direction going on. Little boy's gonna come and get involved. We basically got like 3 different photo shoots going on. We got this one, we got this one here, and then there's a girl doing selfies on the surfboard. Definitely getting all the bases covered here. Yeah, beautiful, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, fuck. And then trying to fix them. And the sun's dipping down now, so it's like perfect lighting. Ready? How was your first modeling experience? I was dancing around the back trying to put you off.
Wait, we will take photo with her, and you will take photo with her
Okay.
later. Okay, nhá.
Oh shit, it's my turn now. Okay.
Just minute.
Okay, no worries. Damn it, I started filming way too late, but the tide came in so quickly, and then Mai was like riding the board for a while. That's not bad. I won't help them, I'll just stand here filming. That's the more responsible thing to do, right? I'm gonna get ready for that to happen again. So that was really fun. Everyone like shit themselves, like all the cameramen like wearing shoes. They have to like back up. I reckon the waves that come in and take them away. Right? That's what's happening with that one, yeah. She's just lying there, like dick taken away. My wife's so crazy, isn't it? Beautiful. Beautiful, baby. And now we're gonna chill and have some shisha and drinks and etc.
You can make this as one video, I think.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be one video. So that was, yeah, it was quite enjoyable. Turns out Mai's a natural